Hi! So, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, I'm Shanice. Hi, and welcome back to Simply Niqua. That is my channel. Today I'm going to show you an at-home, easy way to do a baby boomer nail design on yourself at home. You can do this, and I added a little glitter as well to spiff it up to make it more me. So, if you want to know how I did them, sit back, relax, pop some popcorn, just don't do nothing and just watch. And while you watch, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know you wanna. So, let's go ahead and get started. Today I decided to do a at-home baby boomer nail design for anyone who wants to know. So it's pretty easy, and to begin with I applied a base coat, and I applied a white base coat, and I applied 2 coats of a white. I used Pure Ice Superstar White to change it up because I had been using LA Colors Color Craze Energy Source for a while, so I changed up the white, and I applied 2 coats of that on all of the nails.
Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're up.
As the white is drying a little bit, because we're going to apply a ombre, that's how you will get the baby boomer style, as an ombre. So as the white base coat was drying, I applied the cuticle guard again this week because I wanted to have less mess to clean up. To be honest, I applied Queen. I always sound weird when I say it, but Queen latex tape liquid peel off cuticle guard, and I apply that around the cuticles on every nail.
On my own, I don't know why.
Okay, so the white should be dried. We waited for a little bit to let the cuticle guard to be like a translucent pink, and that means it's dry. So we're gonna go with the ombre of doing the baby boomer style. So baby boomer styles I always see on line that you do with acrylic and stuff like that, but you can do a baby boomers style at home with nail polish as well. All you have to do is take a makeup sponge or wedge, as you see here that I use, and then all I have to do is have the correct kind of pink color to it with the white. So the white that I used was also Pure Ice Superstar White, but I also used SINFULCOLORS Professional Soulmate for the pink bottom. So on the makeup sponge wedge, I added halfway cube chunk of the Soulmate on the makeup sponge wedge, and then on the bottom half I applied the white and kind of mixed the two as well to blend the colors together. And the baby boomer nails, I've seen that it's kind of like it blends in right in the halfway mark of the nail, so I made sure when I dab onto the nail, it's about halfway and it's nice and blend right there. So I did the index finger, middle finger, and wedding finger first, and made sure those are nice and opaque. So I did about 3 or 4 dab sessions, and then I moved on to my pinky and thumb, and I did the same concept and did the dab session for those as well. You have to move from finger to finger because you're gonna want that nail polish to dry a little bit, or the sponge will pick up the color and get all messy and weird. So you go from finger to finger. That's why I did 3 or 4 dab sessions, but go intermix the fingers. Don't just do one finger at one time.
I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I won't look back.
once all the ombre sections was done and all the nails have the baby boomer style, and you can stop here, add a top coat, you done, whatever. I want to be a little extra. I needed a little bit more something. It's plain like this and I want to have glitter, so I was gonna have a combination of glitters, but no, I'm gonna have just one glitter this time, and I use Unicorn Sparkle brand by LA Colors, and it's called Unicorn Sparkle, the actual nail polish color, and I applied that onto the nails. So you want to start from the cuticle and going up and have it fade into the white. So don't let it drag all the way up to from the cuticle to the tip of the nail. You want it more around the cuticle area or in the colored area where the soulmate is, and then I want it to fade out into the white. So I did, I couldn't stop, okay? I fell in love, okay, with this Unicorn Sparkle combination of glitter on my nails. So I did about 3 thin coats of Unicorn Sparkle and having it build up around the color section of the nails and letting it fade into the white. You want to make sure also to let it dry a little bit through different coats so it can build up and get more glittery.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the.
So when I got to this part, I decided to just keep it like this and have it a simple, basic, clean, glitter, baby boomer nail tutorial and nail design. So I stopped here and I then went in with my favorite top coat that dries things quickly, and it's the Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss top coat, and I apply that to all of the nails.
Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
And here is my elegant glitter baby boomer at home nail design.
I won't look back.
So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this nail tutorial is very helpful for you guys. So if you really want to do the baby boomer style at home with your nails, with you doing it for yourself, and you want to do this at home, you can do this at home. I'm showing it to you, and it's like an elegant looking wedding nail tutorial as well. So 2 for 1. So thank you so much for watching. Go down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the great notification bell to be notified, and also hit the like button if you really like this, and also share this. I'll catch you back next week with another nail tutorial. If you have any suggestions, go down below and leave some comments down below and suggest anything that you want to see, and I will do it. I promise you, I will do it. Okay, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next week. Bye.
I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone.